Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So the other day you guys saw me make beef bone broth, and I just uploaded my video where I made beef stew using the beef bone broth. Well, this is the leftover that I have after doing all of the jars of stew. So now I'm going to can the beef bone broth by itself, and you guys are going to see how rich in color this looks. It is amazing and it tastes amazing. I am so happy that this came out so well. So I have my jars already here, have my lids. So we are going to go ahead and start filling the jars. And here it is right here in a big bowl. Now this is completely cooled off. So I am going to be canning this in a cool canner with cool water to match the temperature of the broth and the jars. I will be canning this for 20 minutes since it's just broth. Even though it's meat broth, you only can it for 20 minutes, so it's really quick and easy, you guys. So let me show you how dark this is. Is that amazing? It tastes so good. So this cooked for about 3 days. It was on for 3 days at a very, very low simmer. And I started out with about a little over 2 gallons of liquid. And I got 15 jars of beef stew. And 1 jar that I canned some leftover potatoes that I was using for the beef stew. And I added some beef broth to that. So I have 1 small little jar of potatoes. Next week I will be showing you guys how to can potatoes if anybody's interested. It's a really good thing to have on hand. Comes in handy. Okay. So another thing that we were going to do tonight, we were going to have beef broth, and we were going to make some soup with using our Thrive Life freeze-dried foods. We decided to do something different, so I will probably be doing that next week and showing you guys how to refresh and use your Thrive Life foods, because I've had a lot of people asking. Hopefully I'll have my voice back by then. Thank you guys all for your patience. It's gosh, I hate when I lose my voice, especially when I use it for YouTube and I need to tell you guys stuff. I'm so sorry. It's really hard to do. But it was getting better until I did that last video earlier and I talked for 25 minutes. Now, not so much. I'm sure I will wake up in the morning and it won't be so bad. Either that or it'll be completely gone. But I go from one extreme to the other. So, but thank you guys for all of the prayers and well wishes. Both my husband and I are feeling fine. I know it doesn't sound like it from my voice, but we really are feeling okay. He's doing much better than me. He had lost his voice, but now his voice is back. So if I would just be quiet, it would be back for me as well. Okay, so I have 1 more jar, it looks like, to fill, and then we are going to put the lids on. Okay, so I have gone ahead and I filled all of my jars. So I have 5 pints, 1/2 pint, and 1 little 4-ounce jar. So I went ahead and I did the 4-ounce jar. I'm just going to can it, and this will probably be just for drinking. This one probably too, or for lunch. But the rest of these definitely for a soup with the Thrive Life, or some dehydrated vegetables would be good. We'll see what we do. And it's very, very concentrated, so you can always add water to one of these jars as well. If you don't have enough for, a stew or something like that, or a soup. So what I'm doing right here is I am just wiping down the jar rims with some vinegar, making sure that there's no oils or anything on there from the broth and from my fingers. And then I'm going to put the lids on each one. And again, I will be processing these at 20 minutes. 10 pounds pressure for my elevation. I'm at sea level. So you have to do it according to your elevation. And I'm going to put them in the canner, and I will show you guys what they look like when they come out. I hope that you're inspired to make some bone broth or other delicious stock of your own. It is really good, and it's so delicious. And it's very, very good for you. Okay, I'll twist these on when I have both hands. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and put these in the canner, you guys. Thanks for watching, and the word of the day will be beef. So comment below the word beef as the word of the day. Please subscribe so that you're eligible to win my giveaways. Like the video, and please share. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out there for more people to see. And please check into my membership, which is Creative Canners. I just started it about a month ago, and we're going to start doing members-only lives, members-only giveaways, and things like that. Going to have a lot of fun with that. And stay tuned to my channel here for everybody, because I do a lot of giveaways, and we're doing a huge giveaway at the end of the month for my 8,000 subscriber giveaway. And as I speak, we are 2 away from 8,400. So I anticipate getting to 8,500 fairly soon. And we're going to be doing another giveaway after that. So my goal for my channel that I set in December was to reach 10,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is February 6th. So I don't know if I'm going to reach that or not, but we'll see, you guys. With your help, I can do it. So help me grow my channel, and I will bring you guys more content. And also, you guys can email me anytime at thecanningnana@gmail.com and let me know what you want to see, or leave it in the comments below as well. I'm making a list, and this year is 2022. I have a goal to do as many different videos, as well as do some videos over that I've done in the past, because we have a lot of new viewers, and not everybody goes back and watches the old videos, and I get that. So lots of new things, some old things with a new twist. And we're going to have a lot of fun this year and do a whole lot of giveaways. So the 8,000 subscriber giveaway is a dehydrator. So make sure that you comment the word of the day in all of my videos with hashtag WOTD. And when you do, you'll get a little key next to your, as a reply from me, usually with another emoji, a heart or a hug or something like that. Make sure you get that key. So if you comment the word of the day, you will get a key. I may be a few days late, but you'll definitely get a key. So if you don't, please email me and let me know. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more, you guys.